Good morning and welcome to this video tutorial of MCX SureGain. My name is Parveen Rana and today we are going to discuss about MCX SureGain website. On your screen you are watching the website of MCX SureGain where you can get most important informations about all markets such as live rates, economic calendars, pivot points, support resistance levels, blogs, technical strategies, etc. etc. So let's start. First of all, on the website you can see first is the banner. If you want to remove the banner, you can just click on the right side cross button, then banner will be removed. Thereafter you can see left side the market watch window is there. In the market watch window you can see this is the market watch window. In the market watch window you can see the Dow Jones is there, and another markets are also there: DAX, FTSE, CAC, Nasdaq, Hang Seng. Also Indian markets are also there, Nifty and Bank Nifty you can see. So you can watch live rates of that particular stocks there, and apart from it, if you want you can see forex market as well, and in the forex you can see euro, USD, AUD, USD, etc. etc. Here is the commodities where you can see US copper, gold, silver, Indian copper, gold, silver, crude. And if you go to Bitcoin, it will give you the rates, live rates of Bitcoin as well. And here is the equity. Here you can see the Indian equity rates as well. So if you are not having any kind of setup available where you can see rates, live rates, you can come to MCX SureGain website and you can watch the rates over there. And second thing is economic calendar. Economic calendar is also very important. Actually it gives you the information about upcoming datas, upcoming inventory of crude oil, and many other factors are also there which you can see in that particular website, where you can see the forecast and the previous, and also you can see the actual data as well. If you click on show more events, you can watch more events for day today and next day, etc. etc. And suppose that if you want to see more symbols which are not available in that particular sheet, in that market summary, you can click on a button live quotes. This is the live quote button, or you can say it is a navigation bar of live quotes. You simply can click on that button, so that whenever you click on that button, one another page will open. On that page already some stocks are floating. Here you can see some boxes are green and some boxes are red. So green stands for the position, positive position of particular symbol, and red stands for the negative position of particular symbol. Suppose that you want to make your own dashboard. For that, simply you can remove all symbols and you can make your own dashboard as according to your system requirement. Suppose that you want to see NSE stocks, National Stock Exchange stocks. You can see on your screen it is Nifty and Bank Nifty is floating, and another one is copper, gold, silver, aluminium, lead, nickel, zinc, crude oil, natural gas, USD INR, Euro INR, GBP INR, ACC, etc. etc. If you want any another symbol, you just click here and you type EURUSD and press enter. Once you press enter, at the bottom you can see it will automatically come. Apart from it, if you want to see any support or resistance label, simply you can put the name of the symbol. Like suppose if you want to see crude oil, you just click on crude oil, automatically it will show support level and resistance level. If you want to see support level, you just click on support level, it will show support level. If you want to see resistance level, you can click on resistance level, so that you will be able to see resistance level over there. And apart from it, if you want more and more options to be seen into the screen, you can log in from there. If you don't have your account, you can create your account by creating this button. If you already having your account, you can log in from there as well. I'm logging into my account. This is my admin account. So in the admin account, you can see on the left hand side, it is my profile, and below that you can see uh, LME inventory is there, London Metal Exchange inventory. And at the middle portion, you can see we have posted some calls over there. The calls are about MCX market. If you want to post any of your call, you simply can click on such buttons. You can, if you want to post buy call, you can click this button. You can select any commodity or symbol, and here you can put figures, whatever the figure you want to put, and stop loss, target, buy, entry, everything you can put, and thereafter you can post call. So once you post call, automatically your post will be shown into the this window. Okay, if target got achieved, you can give a call for target achieve. If stop loss trigger, you can click on this button to post the call for stop loss trigger. Here on the right hand side, you can see some symbols are coming. If you want your own symbol to be shown over there, you just can remove all symbols, and you can click here. And suppose that if you want Euro USD, you just type EUR USD, enter, so that Euro USD will come over there. If you want Bitcoin, you can type BTC USD, and then it will show you BTC USD chart as well, and all charts are floating, you can see over there. If you are here and you are watching everything, here on the right hand side you can see the news are there, and at the left hand side you can see again support and resistance levels are there. Okay, here also you can put any commodities symbol, and you will get the support and resistance level for the same. Suppose that if you want to write any blog, or you want to watch our blogs, you just click on default blog defaults, so that you can see somebody has already posted his blog over there, and you can see our blogs as well. Here are the blogs about our indicators, about our strategies, about technical analysis, everything posted over there. If you want to post your own blog, you can click on create blog. If you click on create blog, here you can post the title, as I am posting video tutorial demo. And if I am having any file to be downloaded, I will type here http and I will give the link, full link of that particular location where the file has to be downloaded. And if I having any video, we can post our video URL here. If I want to use any image, I can choose image from any where, like I'm choosing the image from my desktop, and here you can post your blog, and you can update, click on submit, so that your blog will be updated. And apart from it, if you want to watch live charts, you can click on that button. Thereafter a widget will open. On that widget you can watch live charts as well. If you want to see live chart of Nifty, you can click on Nifty 50, so that live Nifty chart will come over there. So as I have already showed you that this is the website, I'm again telling you the URL. This is www.mcxsuregain.com. You can go to our website, and you can get better experience about trading, and you can earn more money. Now I'm going to introduce about our services as well. See, our main service is MT4 real-time data, providing for all markets. such as Comex, Forex, and another Indian markets as well. Apart from it, if you want to trade with our expert signals, you can take our auto buy and sell signal software. Simply you can go to our service button and you can click on auto buy and sell signal software. Here are the signals. If you want to have a demo of it, you simply can fill this form by giving your personal detail over there, and so that after getting your email on our mail, we will immediately call you back and we will give you the demo for that particular strategy, whichever you want. Apart from it, if you want to take automatic trading, you can go to our service and auto robot trading, and there you can fill the form, so that we will tell you how, by calling you, that how our robot trading will work, and how like we will show you live demo of it as well. If you are a mobile user, you simply can go to our MCX Auto Tips app button. After that, you will get information about our Auto Tips app. You can simply go to Play Store and you can type MCX Auto Tips, so that you will get this application into your mobile. You can use this application for 7 days. Thereafter, you can pay some amount, a little amount is there which you have to pay. You can pay, and then you can use the application for monthly, quarterly, 6-month or yearly basis. I hope you liked this video. If you want any more information about it, you simply can visit our website www.mcxsuregain.com, or else you can comment on this comment box below the video. If you want more information about our company services, you can visit website again and you can check our services, so that you will come to know about all of our services. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.